We'll guide you through how to lock your profile picture on Instagram. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Instagram, and so you want to go and lock your profile picture. So when your profile picture is unlocked, people can go and tap on it, it's going to make it big, and people can go and zoom in and go and look at it in more detail. Whereas when it's locked, people cannot go and zoom it in and make it large. So we're going to guide you through how you can go about this. So first of all, I'll just go and show you what it can look like when a profile picture is unlocked. So I'm going to come to an Instagram account here, and if somebody goes and taps on your profile icon, it'll get big like this, and they can pinch on it and go and zoom in on it. And you may not want this to happen to yours. So in this guide, we're going to guide you through how you can go and lock it so it cannot go and be zoomed in, and those options at the bottom won't be appearing as well. Let's go about this. So what you need to do is come to your Instagram profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right, as I did there, and you'll then be brought here. What we then need to do is go and open up the settings. So you can go and press the three lines in the top right, and settings and activity goes and opens up, as you can see. Then in here, what you want to do is you want to go down and you need to go and find the option, or section I should say, for who can see your content. And what you need to do is you need to go and tap here like so. Now you can go and see private account and then allow profile picture expansion. So if this is turned on, this means your profile picture is currently unlocked. People can tap on it and it's going to make it big. So to go and lock it, you want to go and turn off allow profile picture. This means that people cannot see a larger version of your profile picture. So that's it. Of course, you can always come back here to go and unlock it in the future again by turning it on, but I like to go and have it turned off. It's that simple. So if you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides. Have a great day, and I'll catch you again soon with another how-to.